Dark spot, oily skin, mukhang dalang balat? Try this DIY rice flour glow mask for brighter, smoother, glowing skin. This natural skincare combo help brighten the skin, gently exfoliate, and keep your skin soft and moisturized.
Here's what you need. Rice flour. Gently exfoliate dry skin and help control excess oil. 1 tablespoon. Calamansi. Help brighten the appearance of dark spot and dull skin. 1 tablespoon. Sunflower oil, deeply moisturize while helping protect the skin barrier. 1 tablespoon. Mix all the ingredients together until it forms a smooth paste. The texture should feel creamy and easy to spread on the skin. These DIY glow treatments help brighten dull skin, reduce the appearance of dark spot, control excess oil, smooth rough texture, leave the skin soft, fresh, and glowing. Apply evenly onto clean skin and gently massage in circular motion. The rice flour softly exfoliate, while the sunflower oil keeps the skin hydrated and glowing. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water for soft, refreshed skin. Gusto mo ng refresh at glowing skin? Gamit lang ang simple ingredients, try this DIY glow mask tonight. Always patch test first before trying DIY skincare treatment.